Welcome to a 2-minute tutorial on how to request books in Miami University Library Search. I'm Jennifer Hicks, the Outreach and Instruction Librarian on the Middletown campus. Miami University has multiple libraries across its 3 Butler County campuses. Did you know that you can request a book or other physical item from one of our other libraries to be sent to your preferred campus library? To get started, navigate to your Miami Library website. Using the search bar, in the center of the page, type in the book you are looking for and hit go. To be able to request the book, you will need to sign in using your Miami credentials. Once you're signed in, locate the book you would like to request and click on the title. Under the Get It section, choose Request. Choose the campus you would like to pick up your book from, and then hit Send Request. That's it! You'll receive an email when your book is ready to be picked up. We hope this video is helpful. Make sure to check out our website and YouTube channel for more library help.